You can import your decorations, POS as simply as products. First, start by creating your POS in the Decoration tab. Add a name to your POS. Remember to validate it for recording. Add the dimension. Check that your decoration is created. It is now a matter of associating the content with the object. Go to Integration, Decoration, 3D Generation from Image. With creating an object, read the instruction carefully. It is important that the name is precisely the same and that you associate the correct faces with the decoration. Then check the progress of your modeling. You can now find your POS in the corresponding tab. Just like your products, you can view it in 3D in the viewer, download it, see the QRS for augmented reality, as well as manage the parameters for this decoration.